My name is Omowunmi Sadik. I'm a professor of chemistry at Binghamton University in New York. I was raised in Lagos, Nigeria. I attended the University of Lagos for my bachelor's and also my master's degree. And ultimately, I went to Australia, New South Wales in Wollongong, where I received my PhD. Following my PhD degree, I came to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency in Las Vegas, where I did my postdoc. I have held appointments at Harvard University, Naval Research Lab, Cornell University, and I've been in Binghamton for 15 years. I didn't grow up with a lot of technology, but I grew up with a lot of the quest to know. And I've always been interested in trying to find out how things work, what can they do for you, the real life application. In general, I've always questioned the fact that whatever we do, we ought to find some application to real life. And I use this principle in my teaching as well. Even when I teach any complex chemical concept, I try to find parallel in life. I ask myself the question, what can we use this for? What does it mean in the real world? And for the most part, when we think about things critically, we can almost find those parallels. And that's always been my motivation, is that the real life application of what I do. And I believe it came from the question my mother asked me a long time ago. I was planning to major in chemistry. She had no concept of what chemistry was. And she asked me the question, so what is chemistry? And so I tried to find a good answer, because Nigeria being a major oil-producing country, I explained to her that we use chemistry in making kerosene from petrochemicals and things. And she concluded that if anyone is willing to pay you to do that job, it's probably worth doing. It's been a long journey, and I've gone from the simple chemicals, even from single molecules, to creating solutions and making reagents, and ultimately to creating instrumentation that can be used for some good. So.